Hi there, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist in Marketing Luxury and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. In this week's video, we're going to be talking about how you can triple end deals through having private listings or pocket listings, or even using coming soon strategies. So let's first talk about the coming soon strategy. Perhaps you have a property that's not ready to go to market. So the coming soon strategy would be you get the homeowner to agree to sign the listing agreement. You get a sign out in front perhaps with the coming soon, or perhaps in some communities, especially with luxury, they don't want to sign. So you reach out to your database and top producing agents, or perhaps you do some mailers to the market and the farming areas that you work, and letting them know about this coming soon property. And the consumer, the seller, could also let their database and their friends and sphere know that they're going to be selling their home. So that is one definition, of course, of the coming soon and why you would do the coming soon. And a private listing or a pocket listing, of course, is not as much exposure than if you put it on the multiple listing service and your website and all those third-party websites. But you are going to have some clients that want to have a private listing or a pocket listing. And there's some benefits to that because the consumer always wants what they can't have. So there are some benefits to that because a potential buyer might know that you are going to be putting the home on the market soon, and that might create some urgency where they want to get in to see the home before it goes on the market, that sort of thing. But I want to talk about in this video what triple ending a deal would be. So let's just use the scenario whether it be a coming soon or a pocket listing, and a consumer comes directly to you as an agent and they're unrepresented. You have a higher probability of working with an unrepresented buyer on pocket listings or coming soon properties. Again, it's been my experience working with agents across the country and in other countries that, especially with luxury properties, many times they feel like a buyer thinks they're going to get a better deal, and they'll circumvent a buyer's agent and work directly with you, the listing agent. And so you have a higher probability of representing both sides, or even if the seller says no to dual agency, you have a better opportunity of just representing the seller, but getting both ends of the deal. And of course, many times these buyers need to sell a home, and if you do a good job and represent both parties fairly, they might give you the opportunity to market their home. So that's how you can triple end deals through either a coming soon strategy or pocket listings or private listings. So that's one of the strategies that I wanted to share with you in this week's video. Again, triple ending deals. And don't forget, take a look at some of our previous videos. If you have any questions, my contact information's below. If you have information, if you want additional information on our certification, Luxury Listing Specialist, we're about to launch some new modules. Just shoot us a message, and if you have any other questions or topics that you want us to talk about, just send us a quick note. Michael LaFido, and remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Continue to raise the bar in real estate, and we'll talk to you soon.